If you've landed here, you're probably chasing a lawn that's great to lay on and even better to play on. And that's exactly what we grow at the Turf Shed. We grow A grade Palmetto Buffalo on our family farm, and we deliver it fresh, straight to your door. There's no middlemen, there's no tired turf, there's no guesswork. Just properly growing good grass that turns up and looking as fresh as it should. Now, Palmetto Buffalo, it is a great choice for families across the whole of southeast Queensland. It's super soft underfoot. In fact, it's the softest leaf buffalo that you can buy on the Australian market. It handles shade well. It needs about 2 to 3 hours of direct sunlight each day, and it copes with real life. If you've got kids rolling around, you've got dogs doing their business, you've got weekends that are actually spent outside, this is a really good lawn for you. It's also a medium level of maintenance, so you're mowing it probably just once a week in the hotter months. So, if you want proof that we know what we're doing here at the Turf Shed, have a scroll through our socials, our website, our Google reviews. There's plenty of families out there who have already laid our Palmetto Buffalo, and they're not shy about showing it off. Have a look at our website. You'll see close-up photos, you'll see pallets, you'll see it on our farm, you'll see it in people's yards, and you'll love it too. So if you want a lawn that is as soft as your nan's cheek and ideal for your family home, then you're in the right place. Get your fast free quote today and lock in your Palmetto lawn with confidence.